So I'm going to put rivets in the handle of this bag that I've just made. So here's my rivet press, which I use all the time, and I put it on this slab of wood because it helps stabilize it, and usually I have it on a workbench. But for this tutorial, I'll put it here. However, first we have to make the holes in the correct spot to apply the rivets. I've made a mark, and I'm just punching the hole puncher down through all layers, the webbing and all layers of the bag. And then I'm going to put my rivet in. And these are extra long rivets. I'll link to where I buy my rivets on Etsy because they're awesome. And then I'm going to put on the double cap right there. I just kind of press it on. It's not on tightly or anything. I couldn't use that handle by any means. Move my clip. It's held in place now by that double cap rivet. And you can feel it when it's in there correctly. It just sits in the right way. Making sure my second layer under there is out of the way. Okay, and then I'm just gonna, okay, there we go. Now I'm in there. I'm pressing down. I can feel it biting. And it's done. And I didn't have to press all that hard. Sorry. So there's the inside, and there's the outside. And that will hold my handle in place, my webbing. It's in there really tight. It doesn't even want to slide around. And that's it. I'll repeat that 3 more times.